Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the magnetic effect of electricity. Already you have learned that about the heating effect of electricity because the electrical energy is converted into heat energy in that form, and here now the electrical energy is converted into magnetic energy. Understand? So, now you are going to see the magnetic effect of electric current. Now, what is meant by magnetic effect of electric current? So, if you see this, when an electric current passes through a wire, otherwise we called as conductor. Understand? So, now you listen here children, when an electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. So, even though the conductor, the material is not a magnet, but if the current is passes through any conductor, it acts as a magnet. So, this effect is called the magnetic effect of electric current. Otherwise, we call this as what? Electromagnet. What is meant by see? When we allow the electric current to the conductor, it behaves as a magnet due to that magnetic effect of electric current. So, who invented this first the magnetic effect on electric current is the Danish scientist. The Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted is first to find out. First he found that while passing an electric current to a conductor, the conductor behave as a magnet. So, he first found in 1890 that electric current is passed through any conductor. What it produce? It produce a magnetic field around the conductor. So, if any material we pass the current, so what is going to arise around this? A magnetic field. A magnetic field is going to be produced around the conductor. So, it can be first who found that in 1819 the Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted is found first. What he done, how he find out means, he kept the needle, the direction needle near the conducting material. That needle is going to be turned by this way. He came to know that the conducting. So, if the electric current passes through any conductor, the conductor can behave as a magnet. Through this we are going to find the magnetic. So, even the electrical energy can be converted into that magnetic field. Understand? So, by this effect we have many applications. By using this, using the magnetic effect of electric current, we can use many applications on the electrical appliances. Now, we will see that one of this is how to behave, how the conductor is behave as an electromagnet. For the simple demonstration here, when the electric current pass through a insulating coil, now we are going to take an iron nail. So, now this electric current passes through a coil of insulated wire who bind around the piece of iron become the magnet. So, now this insulating wire is going to be wind around the iron nail. Understand? And the two end of the wire is going to be connected through a battery and the switch. Now, what happens? See that wind a piece of insulated wire around the iron nail and in the form of a coil. So, now we have to wind the wire into the conductor. Which one is here? Conductor is the iron nail to form a coil. Understand? and then the connect the free ends. We are going to connect the free ends to the electric cell through a switch, and if you keep some pins here, if you keep some iron pins, the near the iron nail, the electric current pass through that. If you switch on this battery, what happens? The electric current is going to be passes through the conductor and passes through the insulating wire, and the conductor, the iron nail act as a magnet. And if you keep some of the pins, it can be attracted. When we switch off means what will cut? The supply of electric current is going to be cut. The supply of electric current is going to be cut, and by the stopping the electricity, what happened? The demagnetization. It loses its magnetism, or we can call it as demagnetization and magnetization. When we pass the electric current into the conductor, it can act as a magnet, and if we cut the supply of current, it loses its magnetic property and demagnetization is going to be occur. By this way, we can find out what the electric current is going to be converted into that magnetic field. So, we have many applications based on this. So, now we will see that one of the application of magnetic effect of electricity is electric bell. So, this is the electric bell. How the electric bell we are going to use this? So, now we are going to push the switch to close the current flowing through the circuit on the electromagnet. So, this is the electromagnet, this is the conductor, and through this conductor we are going to wind a wire, insulating wire, and the end is going to be connected to the battery. See this, here the control of switch is here, and it is passes through, and this can be connected through this. The current can be connected by this, by touching this, and it passes, the other end is going to be connected to the battery. Now, you see that if you push the switch is closed, the current flow around the circuit. Now, if you push the switch closed, the current is going to be flow in this direction. Understand? In this direction. So, in the conductor become one magnet. The conductor become magnet, so that it can be attracted towards this armature. What we called as what? The soft iron armature. The soft iron armature is going to be pulled towards. The soft iron armature is going to be pulled towards the electromagnet, and it hits the gun. Now, see that. So, while pushing, the hammer is going to hit the gong, then it produces the sound. By this way, if you switch on or if you push the switch, what is going to be closed? The circuit is going to be closed, and the electric current is going to be passes. Understand? The electric current first passes through the wire, and it can be conducted by the conductor, and what the armature is going to be attracted towards the magnet. By this way, what is pushing? It pushes the hammer, and the hammer, while pushing, the hammer is going to hit the gong. By that, what is going to produce? The sound is going to be produced. Now, see this, this causes contact the switch open, and then cutting off the electric current. The spring now pulls back up. Then after that, so while after it hitting it, what is going to be produced? The gong is going to produce the noise. After, if you switch off means what is going to be returned? The electric current is not passed. Electric current is not passed means the armature is going to be returned, and the hammer also going to be returned, so that what is going to be stopped? the noise is going to be stopped produced by the gang. By this way, now you see this, the spring now pulls the armature back against closing the contact switch. What it is closed? The contact, it closed the contact switch, and by this what it stopped? It stopped the noise making by the gong. By this way, what is going to function? The electric bell. The electric bell is going to be function based on this. What even our school institution all there we are using the electric bell. While if you switch on, it will make a noise, and if you switch off, it stop making the noise. So, and what is this? Only the electromagnet can electromagnet act as a magnet only when the current is passes through the conductor. If you cut the supply of the current, it demagnetize. The conductor become what? Demagnetize. It won't act as a magnet. So, based on this principle, we are using the electric bell, and then some of the appliances we are using this. Now, we are going to see the properties of electromagnet. So, what are the properties? So, the electromagnet act like a magnet when the current flow occur on the conductor only, the conductor is going to be act as a magnet. So, the electromagnet act as a magnet only when the current flow through the wire wind around it. So, this is the conductor. The conductor is going to be wind with the insulating wire. It make as a coil. While we are passing through, this conductor is act as a magnet. And next one, it loses the magnetic property. This is the very main thing. It loses the magnetic property when the stop flowing current. The current is going to stop flow. After stop flowing the current, the magnet loses its magnetic property. And then the magnetic strength. The magnetic strength of an electromagnet depends upon the number of turns of the wire. Now, we are going to wind the conductor with the insulating wire has a coil. So, the strength of electromagnet is depends upon the number of turns that what we are winding. Number of turns is more, the strength of the electromagnet is going to be more, and the strength is greater. When the strength is greater, the number of turns is more. So, if you are wind the conductor with more number of turns, the strength produced by the magnetic strength produced by the conductor is going to be greater. And next, the magnetic strength of an electromagnet also depends upon the amount of electricity. And one more thing, and one more case is the amount of electricity. The first one, the number of turns. The strength of an electromagnet depends upon the number of turns, and the another property is the amount of electric current. So, the strength of electromagnet depends upon the number of turns wind on the conductor as well as the amount of electric current flowing in the wire. Based on this, the strength of the magnet, because the more strength means it can attract the more number of substance, or the weak means the attraction. The magnetic field is going to be weak, so that the attraction, the force of attraction also weak. So, we can strengthen the magnet by increasing the number of winds, or we can increase the flow current, the strength of the current. So, these are all the properties of electromagnet. And next, we are going to see the uses of electromagnet. So, in what way we are using the electromagnet? Already we learned that in electric bill we are using electromagnet in electric bill. In other electrical appliances also we are using electromagnet. Now, the electromagnet used in many electrical appliances moving parts, having such as what? Moving parts. There are many appliances we are using that is moving. So, you know that every house has fan is moving, and the mixture grinder, understand, and next the washing machine, these are all moving. So, the electrical appliances which have the moving parts, they all have what? Electromagnet. Now, you can see this, the washing machine, toaster, the toaster and the washing machine, fans, mixer grinder. In this case, these appliances, the parts are moving. So, in this appliances, what is used? The electromagnet. And then the electromagnet also present in MRI scan, MRI machine used in the hospital for the diagnostic center. So, what we found inside the body that can be diagnosed by what? By scanning our body inside by using MRI scan. That MRI scan also contain what? Electromagnet. And then the electromagnet used in cranes to pick up the cars in the scrap yard. So, now you can see that in the scrap yard we are going to dump the old things, and in that the cranes also that can be used to pick up the heavy iron object. We are going to separate the heavy iron object from the other garbages. So, by using the electromagnet in cranes. So, in the cars scrap yard, the scrap unwanted things we are going to put in that, we are going to dump in as a garbages. So, we are going to remove or we are going to separate the iron object or iron article from the other garbages, and this can be used to separate the iron from the rest of the garbage by using what? Cranes. And then the electromagnet is very important part. You know that the old fashioned electric bulb, what is used? The electromagnet is used. So, these are all about the magnetic effect of electric current. In this case, so the magnetic effect of electric current depends upon the strength of the electric current as well as the number of turns around the conductor. Based on this, the strength is going to be depends on this, and if the electric current passes only, the magnet is going to be act as a magnet, or the magnetic field can be produced when the electric current is passed. If you cut the supply of the electric current, what is going to be off? The magnetic field produced around the conductor is going to be demagnetized. So, based on this, so one of this important uses of a magnetic effect of electric current, because all the moving the electrical appliances which have moving parts, that all can have what? Electromagnet. So, these are all about the electric effect of magnetic effect of electric current. So, thank you for watching this video. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you.